So today, you'll be learning how to change your gender in the REDnote app. So the first step is to launch it. And then once you've launched it, you need to access your profile editor. To do this, start by tapping on Me in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then you want to tap on the option Edit Profile if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android phone, then it should just say the option Profile. But either way, just tap on that option to access the profile editor. From here, you should see the option for gender. So currently I don't have a gender set, but if I did, this is how it would look like. So it would have my gender listed right there. So to change it, just tap on it and then select your preferred gender that you want to switch to. So when you select it, tap on Confirm. And then once you've tapped on Confirm, you want to ensure that you actually tap on Save to apply the changes to your profile. If you don't do this, then all the changes that you've actually just done right now will no longer be saved. So ensure that you tap on Save and that you confirm your choice for the changes to be added to your profile. And then you should see your gender listed right there with its symbol. So you can see it right here, you have your gender symbol there. So that's how you can change your gender on the REDnote app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.